don't start.
Yes, so I me cook my wife jollof. My birthday, my wife birthday jollof. Jollof rice now they are raised, so you know easy. And so it be. What women can do, most men like us can do it better. Can do better. Okay? You know easy, see. Drop your location. Celebrate with my wife. Yes. I celebrate my wife. My wife deserves the best. I enter kitchen by myself. Come make this delicious jollof. Oh wow! Happy birthday, my wife, once again. Happy birthday to you. I dedicate this jollof rice for you, my baby.
Thank you, my king.
Princess,
Thank
my
you, my
queen,
king.
my everything. It's your day. Okay, oh. Yeah, we are good to go.
You not put meat, Jonah.
Birthday is a go. See, huh?
Where your fried meat now?
My fried meat. See my meat here. Okay, yeah. See on there. See my fried meat here. Wow. Birthday. They love birthday. For my mommy. They love birthday for my mommy. Happy birthday, beautiful, beautiful wife, beautiful angel. Celebrate your birthday with grace.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Kula.
Ella, how are you?